about the doorbell buzzing. Unfortunately, I have not been able to duplicate the humming or buzzing. I think that might be it. I dug around a little bit with a toothpick and I want to do this some more. Let's see here. And yes, this is a vintage original gong. When I had the house rewired, the electricians actually had brought a new one and I refused it. I wanted to keep this kind of organic sound. I know that's just me. It's vintage 1962. Those are not very expensive. I don't think anything is wrong with it. I personally really like that old style sound. See, like just the way it just lingers. So I'm not sure what can be done about it. It seems fine.